Hello my dear students, today I will show you how your physics marks will be allotted in your exam. Okay, evaluation of marks I will show you. So the first question is here. This is the April 2023 paper, nanotubes. Okay, uses of nanotubes is the first question. Okay, nanotubes are good conductors, so they are used as a molecular wires. So the main keyword what you have to write in this is molecular wires. They are used as a molecular wires. If you are writing, you will get 1 mark for this. And integrated circuit is the second point. Okay, used in integrated circuits. These 2 points are very important. Okay, you have to write these 2 points. You will get 2 marks for this. Again, required materials in the experiment, reaction of acids with metals. Okay, you have to write the required materials. If the student write an acid metal name, award 1 marks for the student. Award 1 mark for any 4 material in the above. Okay, so 4 you have to write. For 2 you will get 1 mark. Again for 2 you will get 1 mark. Okay, like this you have to write the materials in this experiment. Okay, so in 2024 March 2024 paper, it was given, write the required materials chemicals for esterification reaction activity. Okay, so here also if you are writing 1 milliliter of ethanol, 1 milliliter of glacial acetic acid, for this you will get 1 mark. And concentrated sulfuric acid, beaker, Bunsen burner. Okay, any 2 if you are writing, again you will get 1 mark. Okay, 4 you have to write. Okay, you will get 2 marks for this. Now next one, third question is, if household electric appliances are connected in series, what will happen? Okay, so here if we want to use only one appliances, we have to use all. So keyword is what here, appliances, those are not necessary, are also come into use. Okay, so unnecessarily more electric power will be consumed, more electric consumption will be there. Okay, then more electric bill, increase electric charges, no, more electric bill. Then probability of overload in the circuit, overloading will be there. Okay, overload. Award 2 marks for any 2 of the above. Okay, so 2 points you have to write, any 2 points. Okay, try to elaborate the point. Okay, if 1 mark will be given, you have to elaborate the point. Okay, any 2 points you have to write for this. Again, uses of washing soda. Okay, uses of washing soda in March 2024 paper, baking soda is given. So you should be perfect in all the uses. You are having uses in this chapter, no? So you should be perfect in baking soda, washing soda, whatever it may be, plaster of Paris. Okay, all you have to learn. 1 use definitely you will get in the exam. So uses in the glass industry, uses in the soap industry, uses in the paper industry, glass industry, soap industry, paper industry, preparation of borax. Okay, so it is used for removing permanent hardness of water. Award 4 marks for any 4 of the above. Okay, 4 you have to write in this. Okay, you will get 4 marks for this. So perfectly you learn 20 elements. Okay, 20 elements of the periodic table, and also their atomic number, their periods and groups. Okay, and their configuration also. Okay, so this table, first question I told you. So second one, mention the non-metals in the above. So what are the non-metals in this? If you'll see the table, phosphorus, sulfur and chlorine are the non-metal in this. Okay, so which element has more atomic radius in the above? Sodium is having more atomic radius. Okay, then from left to right, how is the metallic character? Okay, so what will happen to the metallic character of these elements? It will decrease. Okay, red color during sunrise and sunset. Okay, so for this what you have to do again, molecules having a size that is comparable to the wavelength of red light are less in the atmosphere. Okay, so red color scatters less. Okay, so this one, and then sunlight has to travel more distance in atmosphere. Okay, so other colors scattered more. Okay, red less and other colors scattered more. This is the main point you have to write. Okay, then other colors is having less scattering. Okay, so 2 points, for 2 points you will get 1 mark. Again for 1 point you will get 1 mark. Again for 1 point 1 mark. Again for 1 point 1 mark. Like this you will get 4 marks. So whatever you are writing, it should have some sense. Okay, it should have some meaning, whatever you are writing. So next, section 3rd, 7th one, required material to conduct the experiment. Again, required material to conduct the experiment. So what are the required material to conduct this experiment? Concave mirror experiment is given. Concave mirror of known focal length, V stand, candle, white sheet, drawing sheet, meter scale, measuring tape. All these you have to write. Okay, this all carries 2 marks. Okay, then experimental procedure. Okay, then you are writing procedure. Okay, point wise you have to write everything. Okay, if you write point wise you'll get more marks. Okay, the answer is very lengthy, so for 2 points you will get 1 mark. Again for 2 points you will get 1 mark. Again last point is bigger, that's why you will get 1 mark for this last point. Okay, so 2 marks you are getting only for writing the materials. Okay, if experiment is given, anyhow you will get the experiment, any experiment you will get in exam. If you are writing the required material, you will get 2 marks in this. Okay, more 3 marks for the experiment. Okay, so learn all the activities. So in March 2024, Ohm's law was given. Okay, V by I is constant, you have to put like this. The 6 marks will be allotted to your question. Okay, object distance, image distance, what will be the image, erect or invert, enlarge or diminish, that you have to write. Award 1 mark if a student draws only diagram. Award 4 marks if the student explains the experimental procedure in his own words with diagram. Okay, own words also, if you're writing the answer on your own also you'll get the marks. Okay, only the thing is, okay, you have to write the concept clearly. Okay, the next one, 8th one, draw the ray diagram to form the image when the object is placed between F and C. Okay, when the object is placed between F and C, how will be the ray diagram on the principal axis of a convex lens? So here convex lens, this is a diagram of a convex lens. Write the characters of the image formed. Okay, so what will be the, how will be the image formed beyond C, beyond the C. You can see here the image, if you are seeing, it is beyond C and it is inverted. Okay, it is inverted and enlarged image is formed. Okay, enlarged image is formed and real image is formed here. Okay, these 4 points you have to write. Okay, half for each. Okay, and for diagram it is 4 marks. Okay, 4 marks is given for the diagram. So these diagrams, ray diagrams, are very important, compulsory one will get in exam. Okay, so last time they have not given ray diagram, they gave myopia, disease myopia. Okay, with diagram, correction of myopia. So like this, practice the diagrams also and the explanation also. Okay, explain the formation of N2 molecule by using valence bond theory. Okay, here valence bond theory is given. So what you have to do, you have to explain the formation of N2 molecule. So electronic configuration of nitrogen, first you have to write. What is it? 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Okay, like this you have to write the electronic configuration of nitrogen. For this you will get 1 mark. Okay, for writing the configuration you will get 1 mark. Compulsory you have to write the configuration of N2. Okay, so px orbital of an n atom overlaps the px orbital of the other n atom. Overlapping will be there between px and px and px of two n atoms. Okay, giving off sigma px to px bond along the internuclear axis. So the main thing what you have to write here, sigma bond. Sigma bond is the key point what you have to write. Okay, for this you will get 1 mark. Okay, then next one, the py and pz orbital of a n atom overlap the py and px orbital of the other n atom laterally. Okay, so what is the main concept what you have to write here? Overlapping, lateral overlapping will be there. Okay, py to py, pz to pz. Okay, like this. Okay, py to py, pz to pz, they are perpendicular to internuclear axis, giving pi py to py and pi pz to pz bonds. Again pi bond, you have to write about the pi bond. Okay, pi bond, py to py, pz to pz. Okay, then therefore N2 molecule has triple bond between 2 nitrogen. So if in 5th point, triple bond is very important. So sigma bond, lateral overlap, pi bond and triple bond. Again first one configuration, like this you will get 1 for each. Okay, then last में diagram for 1 mark. You can see the diagram, n atom, overlapping is there, lateral overlapping is there. Okay, like this you have to show in the diagram. This diagram you are having in your reader also. Okay, so prepare well for your exam. Best of luck for your exam. Thank you.